everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be here as always. My name is Oluwafisa. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you can call me Fissy for short. I am a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, you want to be a part of my family, I'm sure. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment. Today, I am going to be doing a very quick and fast tutorial on how to apply blush properly. Blush application the right way. I'm talking about blush. Raise your hand up if you have been applying blush wrongly for a very long time. Raise your hand up if you always go overboard with your blush. I am very guilty. I have been very guilty and I am still guilty. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to apply blush appropriately for whatever face shape you have, whether you have an oval face or a round face or a square shaped face. When you're not SpongeBob, I don't think anybody has a square shaped face or a heart shaped face and all of that. I always love to go in with a cream blush while after my foundation. This is like the rave in Nigeria right now. Cream blush everywhere, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm going to be dealing with strictly powder blush. Now, this powder blush is from BM Pro Cosmetics in the shade Mallow. If you've been watching my YouTube videos for a very long time now, you notice that this blush is my holy grail. If I'm not using this, then I'm definitely using a shade from my Zaron Cosmetics Splash, this palette, whatever it's called, eyeshadow. So if I'm not using this, I'm using this, or I'm using a cream blush. There are a few things you actually need to be able to apply your blushes properly. So the most important of all the things you need to apply your brush properly is a good brush, a small brush, a proper dense brush. Guys, can you see? Not a big brush. If you use a big brush, it's not going to apply properly. So you need a proper blush brush that you don't use to apply anything else. You don't use it to contour. You don't use it to do anything else. Of course, you need your blush. And you can always improvise. You don't always need to have a blush brush. You can use any warm-toned foundation color of your choice. You can't use yellow and you cannot use black. I know you know I was kidding. Anyway, so you want to take just a little bit. I am guilty of always going overboard. Now, you want to take just a little bit. Make sure your brush is quite small for your face shape. Okay? You don't want to use a powder brush to apply blush. It's going to be everywhere. So now, you want to make sure that your blush is just right in between your bronzer and your highlight. So your bronzer is supposed to be here. Your blush is supposed to be on the apple of your cheek, and your bronzer is supposed to be on the highest point of your face. Now, I know this, but I always want to just do that. That's like bad. That's not bad, because makeup is an art. Whichever way you wish to express yourself, just do it. But in case you don't know and you want to know how to do it appropriately, then this video is for you. Of course, this is how I do my thing. This is not like the universally accepted way of applying blush. So once you take just a little bit, it's always better to start off small with blushes. Then you can like build your way up. So once you take that, you want to dust off. Make sure to dust off. That's a mistake that we always make. I used to make this mistake for a very long time. Make sure to dust off the excess. Then you start small, lightly. Now, you don't start from the apple of your cheeks when you smile. You want to make sure that you start from the middle. I don't know how to explain this, but make sure you start from halfway your cheekbone. So you make sure to smile, then you start from here. You're going to definitely put blush on your cheekbone, on the apple of your cheeks, but you want to work your way down there. So you start from the middle and you sweep slightly. Guys, can you see? You sweep slightly, then you work your way down. So the most important part of applying blush, the beauty of blush to me, is to make sure that it comes out very flawlessly and freshly. It should bring warmth to your face in a fresh way, and that's how I love to apply my blush. So now, if I feel like, okay, this is not enough, I can always go back into my blush, take a little bit, dust off again, and work my way into my hairline. Guys, if you start from the middle, the pressure is not going to be here. You are not going to start having to blend out here. It's not even going to reach here. So you want to make sure that you start from the middle and work your way to the end and work your way to your hairline rather. What was I saying? You want to do the same thing here too. Start from the middle, blend it out and work your way to the hairline. Guys, now I love this application because it is not too much. It is just appropriate for the kind of look I am going for today. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to apply blush on my nose. I know that that's actually a rave right now too. People like to apply blushes on their nose, on their chins. Some people apply blush on the whole of their face, but I do not do that. Of course, if you do that, it's not bad. I'm not going to add any more product on the brush. I'm just going to dust it off. Dust off the excess on my nose. And I think that's enough blush for the tip of your nose. Now for your forehead area. I like to apply blush on my forehead area, by the sides of my forehead, so it can give me that balanced look. So I'm going to apply just a little bit of blush here. I'm going to make sure that I blend it into my hairline, so it does not just stand there. Okay, that's all for blush application, guys. I hope you learned something. I'm going to show you guys one hack which is actually very important. So this helps with my blush application. I go in with a powder shade that is lighter, just like the powder shade I used to do my highlights, and I use it to blend out the edges of my blush. It just helps to put my blush in the proper place and where it should be. And I just like how it just brings my whole look together, my whole face together. So I was in the process of filming another video. I stopped to film this video because I feel like this blush application video was enough to be a video on its own. So final look here, and that's on period. Guys, my audio went really crappy at this point and it's quite bad. It's too bad, so I decided to like do a voiceover instead. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. I love blushes because they just have a way of making me look very, very fresh. They have a way of bringing so much warmth to my face, and that's why I love it. I'm going to be posting twice a week now, so I need you guys to come through, watch my videos. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel, like my video, leave a comment. You guys, comments make me so happy. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay happy. Bye.